Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick video here. We've prepped a boneless pork loin roast. Let me close up the oven here real quick. We've preheated the oven already to pretty high temperature, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We are at a higher altitude here, but I wanted to get a sear on this pork loin. It's about $2 a pound today. We're doing about a 4.5 pound roast, and we basically gave it a spice rub here, and first slathered it with some olive oil to help the rub stick, and then we put it on all sides. We got the fat side up. Want to get a little sear on it, cook it for a little bit, maybe 10-15 minutes, come back and check on it, and satisfied with the sear on the fat layer, we will then lower the temperature, cover the roasting pan, and slow cook it. Probably throw in some chopped onion to help blend the flavors with the drippings and caramelize in there, but we don't want to put it in too early because it might actually scorch. So we'll see how this goes, and thanks for watching.